Hello student, today we are going to discuss about a new topic that is fungi. So fungi are the group of organisms that living upon other organism means that is dead organic matters. They live upon different components like non-living component that is wood or maybe living upon the animals or maybe different parts of the world means they are distributed all over the world. So they are cosmopolitan in distribution. So if we discuss its species, thus there is about more than 1 lakh species are exist in our all over the world. So the fungi, the term fungi, and it is a plural word, and its singular was fungus, that is singular. And we discuss that number of species are confined to a specific region or locality. Maybe some are grow on the aquatic medium, some are grow on the other organisms just like the animals, or maybe some are grow upon the plant part or a living plant also. They are also be growing. So the fungi or maybe mycorrhizal type. Mycorrhizal means the fungi which going to be associate with other plant. Means suppose it is a plant and on the root surface the fungi are making a symbiotic association. Symbiotic association means the fungi can receive the some food material from the plant, and on the other hand the fungi can supply the nitrogen sources and other minerals to the plant for the better growth of the plant. So there is a combination. So these are called the mycorrhizal fungi. So there is different group of fungi are present. I'm giving the detailed idea and explain the example of the fungi means comes under the coprophilous, means the fungi which grow on the dung, horse dung, cow dung. Dung means the fecal matter of any cow or any organisms. So these are coprophilous fungi which grow upon the horse dung, cow dung, etc. So let's discuss. So at first, starting from the point one, number one is mycorrhizal fungi. So these mycorrhizal fungi are nothing but are the fungi which are going to be symbiotic association, means they make a symbiotic association with the plants. Maximum these are mainly the angiosperm, angiosperm or gymnosperm. Basically, the higher plants we can say. So on that plant, the root are going to be more deeper and deeper. So the fungi also combine with their roots and draw the nutrition from that plant, and as well as supply some nutrient to that plant for the better growth of that plant. So these are the mycorrhizal fungi. Now I am explaining the another fungi that is coprophilous. The coprophilous fungi are the fungi which are growing on the horse or cow dung, horse dung or cow dung. So example is coprobia. Example is coprobia. Next, another group of fungi. These are the aquatic. Means some of the fungi are living in the aquatic medium. Means on the water, maybe marine water, maybe fresh water, just like the river or river and pond water. So the aquatic fungi, mostly these are example are saprolagnia, MLS, Aclea. So these are the examples. These are the I'm giving the three examples, and many others are also present, but these are the most important one. So I am writing here on that is Saprolagnia, Elomyces, and Aclea. These are the three different group of fungi which are mostly aquatic, means grow up on the aquatic conditions. So next is entomogenous fungi. Entomogenous means, as the name suggests, entomology means study about insect. When the fungi are growing upon the insect, these are called entomogenous fungi or entomogenous. So entomogenous fungi are mostly growing upon the insects, and the example are Entomoptera mucis. Entomoptera muci, which is a group of fungi which growing upon the insect, different group of insects. Okay, so next is cellulose decomposing fungi. Means we are seeing that most of the time on the plant cellulose is made of cellulose, but from that apart from that there is different component which are made from the cellulose. So these are actually the papers, writing we are writing on that, so papers. So the fungi which growing up on the papers, cotton, starch coated fibers are called cellulose decomposing fungi. So cellulose decomposing fungi are the group of fungi. They are mainly focused to decompose or degrade the cellulose component, means the component which are made from the cellulose. These are mainly the paper, cotton, and starch coated fibers. Example of the cellulose decomposing fungi is uh, chemo- Catamium globosum. Catamium globosum. So Catamium globosum is a group of fungi which only grown upon the paper, cotton, or starch coated fibers. So these are belongs to cellulose decomposing fungi. Next is lignicolous fungi. So as the name suggests, lignicolous means these are lignin materials. Means these components are made of lignin materials. So lignin are mainly basically present on the wood, also wood materials. So lignicolous fungi are mostly growing upon the wood materials. Means the component which are made from wood are going to be grown up. These fungi are lignicolous fungi grown upon the wood materials. Means like a chair, table, any component which are made from wood. So the example is polyporous. Polyporous is one of the fungi which grow mainly the wood materials. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.